The fifth day of the Students' Week program organized by Campus Life Directorate of Mariam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Ma'un Kano, ended with presentation of fashion show and a football match between students of SMS and School of Health Sciences. The two schools emerged winners during the first leg of a tournament held on Monday, the 10th of July 2023. The fashion show presented include that of India, China, Sudan, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Saudi Arabia, United States of America, Morocco, Nigeria, Ethiopia, and Pakistan. The final football match, which was part of the week-long program, was played at the Usman Ibrahim Yakase Sport Complex on Friday evening, the 14th of July 2023, and ended 7-1 against students of Health Sciences. After the match, a trophy was presented to the students of SMS who emerged as the overall champions, while the highest goal scorer Ahmed Ismail and best goalkeeper Rabi Usani were presented with Golden Boot and a Golden Glove, respectively. Among the management staff that watched the final football match and the fashion show include the founder of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, the president of Ma'un, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, the vice chancellor of Franco-British International University, Kaduna, Professor Abdullahi Muhammad Sabo, and also in attendance were the vice president administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, and director academic planning and quality assurance, Dr. Noura Yaro. Others were vice president of Ma'un Maradi, Dr. Shaibu Usman Tanko, Vice President Campus Life Dr. Hamza Garba, as well as other members of the University Committee and the guests invited.